Berberine versus Ozempic, the natural fat loss secret Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. Everyone's talking about Ozempic for weight loss. Celebrities, influencers, even doctors, it's become a worldwide sensation. But what if I told you there's a natural, safer, and smarter alternative? It's called berberine, a golden compound found in several medicinal plants such as barberry, golden seal, and tree turmeric. And here's the shocking part. Research shows that berberine can produce similar fat loss and blood sugar balancing effects as Ozempic, but without the harsh side effects or expensive injections. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind berberine, how it compares to Ozempic, what the studies say, and how you can use it safely to improve metabolism, gut health, and energy, naturally. Stay with me until the end, because we'll also talk about the best ways to combine berberine with lifestyle habits for maximum results. What is Ozempic, and why is everyone using it? Ozempic is a brand name for semaglutide, a prescription drug originally designed for type 2 diabetes. It mimics a hormone in your body called GLP-1, which helps regulate blood sugar and appetite. When you inject Ozempic, your body feels fuller longer, your stomach empties more slowly, and your cravings drop. That's why people lose weight quickly on it. But here's the problem. Ozempic doesn't fix metabolism, it hacks hunger hormones. Once you stop taking it, appetite often rebounds, and many regain the weight. Plus, the side effects can be rough, nausea, vomiting, digestive issues, muscle loss, and even mood changes. That's where berberine comes in, nature's answer to metabolic balance. Meet berberine, nature's golden alkaloid. Berberine has been used for thousands of years in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. It's extracted from plants like barberry, golden seal, and Oregon grapefruit. Modern science now confirms what ancient healers knew. Berberine has powerful effects on metabolism, blood sugar, and fat storage. Unlike drugs that override hormones, berberine works at the cellular level, helping your body use insulin more efficiently and burn energy the way it's meant to. It's so effective that scientists have called it nature's metformin. How berberine works in the body. To understand why it's so effective, let's break down what berberine does behind the scenes. It activates AMPK, the metabolic master switch. AMPK tells your cells to burn fat for fuel instead of storing it. When berberine activates AMPK, your metabolism speeds up naturally, without stimulants. It improves insulin sensitivity. Berberine helps your cells respond better to insulin, reducing blood sugar spikes after meals. Stable blood sugar means fewer cravings and less fat storage. It balances gut bacteria. Studies show berberine reshapes the microbiome, increasing beneficial bacteria that aid digestion and lower inflammation. It supports liver detox and cholesterol balance. Berberine reduces triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, and fatty buildup in the liver, something Ozempic doesn't do. In short, berberine doesn't force your body to lose weight, it teaches it how to function properly again. Berberine versus Ozempic, what the research shows. Now, let's talk data. Clinical studies comparing berberine with popular diabetes drugs found comparable effects in lowering blood sugar, improving insulin resistance, and reducing body weight. A 2020 meta-analysis published in Frontiers in Pharmacology reviewed 49 studies and found that berberine significantly lowered fasting glucose, HbA1c, and triglycerides, often with fewer side effects than pharmaceutical drugs. Meanwhile, people using Ozempic often report digestive discomfort, muscle loss, and nutrient deficiencies. The takeaway? Both can help with metabolic health, but berberine does it by restoring natural balance, not by overriding hunger signals. Real-world benefits of berberine. So what does this look like in everyday life? Checkmark steadier energy. No more blood sugar crashes. Checkmark reduced belly fat, especially visceral fat around the midsection. Checkmark improved gut health. Less bloating, better digestion. Checkmark lower cholesterol and inflammation. A big win for heart health. Checkmark better mood and focus. Stable blood sugar means a calmer mind. And unlike many diet drugs, Berberine supports long-term wellness. People often notice not just weight loss, but clearer skin, improved sleep, and balanced hormones. How to take Berberine safely. If you decide to try Berberine, here's what you need to know. The most common dosage in studies is 500 mg, 2 to 3 times per day, usually before meals. It's best taken in smaller doses throughout the day because Berberine leaves the bloodstream quickly. Many high-quality supplements combine Berberine with black pepper extract, piperine, to improve absorption. Always start slow, half a dose for the first few days, and see how your body responds. Important: if you take medications for diabetes or blood pressure, talk to your healthcare provider first. Berberine can enhance the effects of these drugs. The perfect pairings. Boosting Berberine's power. Want to make Berberine even more effective? Combine it with habits that naturally support your metabolism. Intermittent fasting. Fasting increases AMPK activity, the same pathway Berberine activates. Together, they work like a double boost for fat burning. Apple cider vinegar. A tablespoon of ACV before meals helps control post-meal blood sugar spikes, complementing Berberine's effects. A low-carb, whole food diet. Avoid refined sugars and processed carbs. Focus on clean proteins, healthy fats, and fibrous vegetables. This helps your body switch into fat-burning mode. Movement. Even light daily exercise, walking, yoga, resistance training, helps muscles use glucose efficiently and keeps insulin sensitivity high. Sleep and stress management. Cortisol and poor sleep can block fat loss. Combine Berberine with a calm, consistent routine for the best long-term results. Why Big Pharma won't talk about it? Here's something worth thinking about. Berberine isn't a patentable drug. It's a natural compound that can't be owned, which means no billion-dollar advertising campaigns, no glossy commercials, no celebrity endorsements. That's why most people haven't heard about it, even though dozens of scientific studies back its benefits. But the truth is spreading. Health coaches, nutritionists, and everyday people are discovering that Berberine works, not by forcing your body, but by helping it find balance again. Nature already built the blueprint for fat loss, energy, and longevity. You don't need injections or expensive prescriptions. You need knowledge, consistency, and the right nutrients. So next time you hear someone talking about Ozempic, remember this: there's a natural alternative that's been here all along. Forget the shortcuts. Trust your body. Fuel it with what nature intended, and watch it do the rest. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more natural wellness videos every week. Here's to balance, vitality, and taking back control of your health, naturally.